He wouldn't stop. I had a cheese stick. I found my spot on my bed. Then Dad made a noise, a strange one. I looked up. He made another. I looked at him, then at the cheese stick. Then back at him. He was not stopping. Every time I tried to focus another sound, I did not know what it meant. Was it an emergency? Was it a game? I could not tell. The cheese stick was still there. Dad was still going. I had to make a choice. I'm still not sure what those sounds were, but I will definitely keep an eye on him next time.